Guys, today in this video I'm going to give you guys a review on this GAIATOP USB fan which I recently bought from Amazon. Like, I was seeing it from a long time, but I was thinking whether it will be worth the price, so I have never tried it. But recently I got it for a deal for about 699 rupees, so I thought will give it a try. So I recently purchased this product. So already I did the unboxing, but I haven't taken the video, so I'll explain you how the wire which they gave is almost 1.5 meter long, so which is mostly enough for most of the users. So this is the USB plug which can be connected to your laptop, power bank, or your travel adapter. So here, if you take a look at the fan, actually when the fan comes, this both comes in a different section. Actually, this base will be separated, which you can just press and put it, so then only it get the base. And if you take a look at the front of the fan, you can see in the middle there is a GAIATOP logo, and there's plastic grill letters, and there is a USB fan inside. And this motor which they have used is a brushless motor. And the behind, if you take a look, you can see there is a power button. In one time if you press it, it turns on and the first speed, second time if you press it, second speed, and third time you press it and third speed. And there is a hinge they have given for adjusting the angle of the fan. The fan inside our PC, laptop and all is brushless motor fans, so it can run for a long time at high speed. So without wasting any more time, let's check the product itself. So I have a power bank. I'll just connect to it. So once you connect, for turning it on, as I told you, press on the power button. Actually, in the video people won't understand but the fan is really good and the pressure of the wind is really good. This is the first speed, this is the second speed, this is the third speed. Third speed is really good and really powerful. So for showing the power of the fan, I'll just take a piece of paper and I'll show how much impact it does to the paper. I'll just keep it here. So I have a tissue paper with me. I'll turn it off. So let the fan stop running. So this is how the tissue paper without any wind. This is the first speed. Okay, the first speed only people can see. It is quite powerful already. And next, second speed. Okay, this is the second speed. And now the third speed. This is too powerful. If I leave it, it will just fly off. Actually, it can't, like, see, I'm putting in this corner. It's almost 3 feet away, but still it gives a nice wind. See? So if you people live in a place where it's really hot, or the summer times when electricity is not there, this can come quite handy. And if you use laptop for a long time and there's no fan or AC nearby you for keeping you cool for a while, you can always go ahead and buy this. If you want to buy this, I will be providing the link in the description, so you can check out the price and purchase from there. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys like the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.